yung role mo dito?
Hostess.
Ha?
Hostess.
Oh, wow. Excited tuloy ako.
No, I'm a priest. Yeah,
Magpapari ka.
Magpapari.
Deacon.
Deacon Sam. Deacon ako dito. Reverend. Can we close the door?
Oo nga. Sa totoong buhay ba, relihiyoso ka?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say super duper religious. Pero, oo naman, I do God. I pray.
Talaga?
Yeah. Gusto ko magdasal kita. Ikaw, magdasal kita.
Kamusta si Direk?
Okay, si Direk. Galing si Direk. I learned a lot from him. Especially yung sa pagtulong ng luha. Kasi paminsan, naluluha agad ako. So I think there's timing in everything. And specifically,
Wow.
when you are crying, dapat sakto, dun luluha. Diba? So that was a challenge for me. But something I would bring with me in my next project.
So hindi ka na dito, masasabi natin hindi ka na ham actor.
Hunk?
Ham. Banok.
Bano? Hindi naman ako bano eh.
Kasi ganun lagi ang criticism mo, di ba?
Siyempre, kung sasabihin mo, kapag nagsimula ka, di ba ngayon reporter ka, ano kung ginagawa mo? Tawag sa columnist. Nung simula po magaling ka agad.
Hindi.
Tama. So, ganun din sa pag-aarte. Ganun din sa pag-lawyer ka. Sa simula ka, hindi ka talaga magaling. Diba? So, I think it's just normal na sa simula ng isang trabaho or career, nanangapa ang isang tao. But we have to give them the chance to grow in their field. And with me, I am confident enough that I have grown as an actor, starting from Maria Clara Nibarra till now. Siguro like the people who think that I'm bano in acting, was the people prior to Maria Clara, definitely hindi talaga ako magaling.
Noong mga panahon na yun, nasasaktan ka?
I took that as a motivation for me to be better, you know. But hopefully they don't do that to other actors, because who knows, diba, what if like you're not emotionally strong enough to handle those comments? Like, come on, right? So not just in acting, but also in your world, diba? Let's just be nice to everybody. Don't judge people.